What's up? It's David. You guys know that recently I started vlogging to record my memories and to just share to the world what I do and stuff. With vlogging, I realized I needed a shoulder bag. Actually bought one from Amazon that everyone was recommending. It's the K&F Concept sling bag or something like that. Super nice actually. It's water resistant, but it's too small for my application. So my camera, I'm using this, here, let me show you. I'm using the Sony a7 III with a deity mic and a little tripod, but it doesn't fit in the bag. So, and I did some research and there are a couple bags from UNIQLO that I really like. UNIQLO is actually pretty close to my house, so I thought why not just go there and check it out with the wife. So let's go. Come on.
Minutes later.
So this is the one that I was. Oh, should I get this one? This one does have more pockets and it's better material. What do you think? Maybe this one, huh?
Yeah,
it looks better.
It looks better and it's gonna fit better.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Thank
you for recording me.
We're going to Kura.
Okay. Alright. Alright, what are we waiting for? Kura. We haven't been in a while.
No.
2-3 years? Yeah. What if it's Wagyu? Came out to $111. Was that good?
It was so good. $100 though was kind of like crazy. Like
the total was 111 bucks. Ooh, it used to be like I feel like it was like 170 a plate before when we started going, like 4 years ago. And now, how much was it? It's like
It was $3.90 per plate, almost $4 a plate. Wait,
almost $4 a plate. That's insane. Look at our All right, guys, back at home. This is the bag. It's really cool. It's huge, so it'll fit everything I need. It's super soft. It's actually called the soft shoulder bag. So yeah, so mission accomplished. We can finally use it every day. So bye. Say bye.